Hey everybody, welcome to Astro's Crafting Adventures. Today we're taking a look at the Mercury Curing Box from Elegoo. This product is a companion product to the excellent Elegoo Mars Resin 3D printer. I saw this online the other day and I thought it'd be a great replacement for the cardboard box, aluminum foil, and UV lamp that I've been using to cure my resin. So let's go do a quick unboxing, see what's inside. First off, out of the box, you see the product is a basic cylinder with the instruction manual. Nice little handle. It's well packaged also. And you can see it's quite small. The product is designed to match the build volume of the Elegoo Mars and comparable resin printers. Has aluminum foil on the inside of the barrel and a little plastic tray. You see there, testing the build quality. And then also inside packaged is a UV powered turntable. So this little turntable uses the UV light that the product is using to cure your parts to actually rotate the turntable, thus rotating your parts, allowing you to get an even cure all the way around, combined with the reflective insides. Now this turntable product is a basic no-name brand product that you can get on Amazon. Matter of fact, I bought the same exact product, just a different color, for my homemade setup. It's just a UV turntable with a small clear plate on top. You can actually, I believe you can actually put a battery in it. It does have a battery compartment, but not much to it. And you can see that the Elegoo Mercury has a base, has a special cutout designed to fit this particular product. Here in my Elegoo Mars, I'm printing out the NX01 refit model, just to have it in my collection, also to test out the resin. You see there next to my old lamp, UV lamp for my homemade setup. I left the supports on this model because I needed it to fit inside the machine. So just put it on the turntable, put the lid on top, turn it on, and let it go. I like that when you turn on this product, the green light inside kind of makes me think of like a little nuclear reactor or something going on. Totally not, just UV lights. Blue UV lights shining through yellow plastic gives it a green color. Now the part's done. You can see I discovered that this product seems to be more powerful than the UV lamp I was using, as it gives the parts yellow color. Here's some more parts about the cure with the machine. These are parts for Ray's lightsaber that I'm also building. I may do a video on that, so stay tuned. The controls are very simple, very light to the touch. You don't have to actually press them, they're touch sensitive. Basically a time up and a time down. It does it in 30-second increments, and then once you set the time, you hit the power button and you're good to go. I like that it has a timer because my old solution involved using either Google Home or my phone to set a timer and then coming back and turning it off when it's done. This, it shuts off when the timer runs out, so you can set it and forget it. But it works great, no complaints so far. Now this product can be found on Amazon for about $60 at the time of this recording in the US. Again, not a whole lot to it. You can see the price of just the UV lamp by itself, about $25, plus the price of the turntable. You're getting pretty close. So 405 nanometer UV light, which is what you want for curing resin parts. And here just showing off some of the feature set, pretty basic stuff. Now there's also an Elegoo Mercury Plus, which is a wash and cure station, and it uses the Elegoo Mars build plate to attach to submerge it into the cleaner. You can see this product is currently unavailable. Don't know how much it costs or anything about it, but it looks comparable to the Anycubic. All in all, it's a great little product. I think it's a worthy complement to the Elegoo Mars for 60 bucks. I like it. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to see future videos.